All right, we're all sitting through presentations all day long. We're creating PowerPoints, we're creating keynotes, and you know what? The bulk of them all look the same and they're not exciting. We need to reward our audience for them giving their time to sit through our content. So, I'm going to show you something that for most of you is going to blow your mind. I'm going to show you how you can 10x the impact of your slides using video. And so you can move from something like this to something like this in literally 3 minutes or less. Check it out.
Okay, let's do it. You can see I'm right here at my plain Jane basic slides, just black text on a white background. Let's find some video. Okay, I'm going to go to a website, pixabay.com. Pixabay.com, it's a royalty-free stock video footage site where you can download videos and images for free with no rights complications. I'm going to scroll right down here to the video I'm looking for. There it is, Matrix Tunnel. Simply click on that. It's a free download. Let's do it right now. Download the large version, MP4. Now, in order for your computer to process MP4 videos, you need to have the QuickTime player installed. So if you Google QuickTime free player, then you can download that. Okay, let's head back over to PowerPoint, and I'm going to find where I saved that, which is right here on my desktop. There it is, video MP4. I'm just going to drag it in and let it go. Bang, there it is. Okay, couple of things. This video is right now covering my text. I can't read anything, so that's no good. So let's send this to the back, and then let's make sure my text now is changed to white font so it's legible. It's still not legible enough. Now remember, the video is supposed to add impact, not entirely take over your screen so you can't digest the content. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a box over the top of this, and you'll see how it covers the video enough where I can still see it, but not so much where it makes the text behind it illegible. Okay, let's make that box black, and let's set the opacity to 50%. Very, very easy. Okay, two more tricks still. I want to make sure this video plays automatically. I don't want it to have to wait for a click. So under the top menu in playback, I'm going to go here, start automatically, and I want this to loop. It's only a short video. I want it to loop until I start delivering my content. I also need to make sure that my text here is in front of this box, so it's crisp and sharp and as legible as possible. So I'm going to bring that to the front, not the back. Okay, set my box back over the top, make sure it's good to go, and I will preview. There it is. Add video to your slides to make them pop. Enjoy.